Hi, angels. I'm just gonna like do this test run here. So give me a minute because my videos nobody can hear them. They said so. I'm just gonna holler into this iPad because um, my phone stopped working. So gonna figure out that issue another day. But um, yeah. So I'm just gonna be hollering into the mic. So just want to know how y'all day going. It was too hot over here. I don't know where y'all at, but yeah, over here, yeah. I had this hat that was supposed to be reflecting the sun rays, but no, it didn't. But anywho, I just want to get with y'all, and yeah. So yeah, it's the day is winding down. I think it's probably like 5 o'clock now, 5ish or whatever. So yeah, just want to see how y'all were doing and encourage you, give you some great vibes going. Um, and yes, hoping you are living your dream life. Yes. So okay. All right. Love you, angels. And then I'm just gonna check and see did did y'all get some sound? All right.